Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating basics quickly. Confirm the Oppo is online and date/time is set to automatic. This prevents token mismatches. Next, make sure Google Play Services is allowed and account sync is enabled, because sign-in depends on those components. Once done, clear cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store in Settings. This removes corrupt tokens. If prompted, update Play Services. These immediate fixes solve most sign-in blocks, so proceed now to account adjustments without delay. You remove and re-add the Google account to force fresh authentication. Go to Accounts, remove the affected account, then reboot the phone to clear sessions. After restart, add the account again and complete any two-step verification prompts. This regenerates tokens and fixes sync. Make sure Google Apps have required permissions and that Play Services is allowed background data and excluded from strict battery optimization, because Android can block sync silently. Once re-added, watch for sync errors and move on if they persist. You should treat a factory reset as the final option. Back up photos and messages first, then perform a reset from settings or recovery. During the initial setup after reset, connect to stable Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account when asked. Updating the system right away reduces compatibility issues. If sign-in remains blocked by two-step verification or account locks, use Google Account Recovery on a computer or alternate device to unlock the account. This recovery step is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.